Hey guys, welcome back to the TenorShare channel. Need to factory reset your iPhone but don't remember the passcode? Whether your iPhone is locked, disabled, or you simply want to erase everything and start fresh, a factory reset is often the best solution. The good news is that on iOS 27, there are several ways to factory reset your iPhone, even without knowing the passcode. Some methods may not even require a computer. In this video, we'll walk you through Apple's official factory reset methods first, then show you an easier alternative if those methods don't work. Let's get started. The easiest way to factory reset your iPhone is using Apple's built-in Forgot Passcode option. If your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular and signed in with your Apple ID, keep entering the wrong passcode until you see the Forgot Passcode option appear. Tap it, then select Start iPhone Reset. Next, enter your Apple ID password to confirm the reset. Your iPhone will erase all content and settings, then restart as a brand new device. After the factory reset is complete, you can set up your iPhone again, or restore your data from a backup. Here's an important tip. If you changed your passcode within the last 72 hours, iOS 27 may allow you to use your previous passcode to create a new one instead of immediately erasing your device. If you don't see this option, move on to the next method. If your iPhone has Find My enabled, you can also try to factory reset it remotely through iCloud. Sign in to iCloud.com/find using the Apple ID connected to your locked iPhone. Select your iPhone, then choose Erase this device. After entering your Apple ID password, iCloud will attempt to remotely erase your iPhone. However, there is something important you should know. On iOS 27 beta, some iPhone models may not be able to complete the remote erase process through iCloud or Find My. The erase request may stay pending or fail to start, even when your iPhone is connected to the internet. If that happens, don't worry. Simply move on to the next method and factory reset your iPhone using recovery mode or 4U-key instead. If the remote erase works successfully, your iPhone will restart and return to the hello screen, ready for setup. If the previous methods don't work, using recovery mode is Apple's most reliable way to factory reset a locked iPhone. For this method, you'll need a Mac or a Windows PC. You need to press a specific key combination to put your iPhone into recovery mode. Before you continue, there is a small change in iOS 27 you should know. If you use the same button sequence from older iOS versions, your iPhone may first show a Restore Your iPhone screen instead of entering recovery mode directly. If you see the screen, simply tap Recovery Mode. Then connect your iPhone to your computer. Once your iPhone enters recovery mode, open Finder on a Mac or iTunes on a Windows PC. When your computer detects the device, choose Restore. Your computer will download the latest available firmware and completely erase your iPhone. After the process is complete, your iPhone will restart and return to the setup screen. There is one more thing to keep in mind. Since iOS 27 is still in beta, restoring your iPhone through Finder or iTunes will usually install the latest public version of iOS instead of iOS 27 beta. That means your iPhone may be downgraded to iOS 26 after the factory reset. So if you are testing iOS 27 beta features, make sure you understand this before restoring your device. If recovery mode feels complicated or you run into errors during the restore process, 4U-key can provide a simpler solution. Connect your iPhone to your computer and launch 4U-key. Choose Unlock iOS screen, then follow the instructions to put your device into recovery mode. The software will automatically download the required firmware and complete the factory reset process. Compared with Finder or iTunes, 4U-key simplifies the steps and helps you complete the reset process with fewer manual operations. This can be especially useful if your iPhone is disabled, stuck on the lock screen, or you cannot complete the official recovery steps. Just remember that a factory reset will erase all data on your iPhone. After the reset is finished, you can set up your device again or restore your data from a previous backup. Getting locked out of your iPhone can be frustrating, especially after updating to iOS 27 or forgetting your passcode. Hopefully, one of these factory reset methods helped you regain access to your device. If this video helped you, leave a comment below and let us know your iPhone model and which method worked for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the TenorShare channel for more iOS 27 tips, fixes, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.